There can be no weak link. It is that analogy of the team, right? Everybody needs to be strong and everybody needs to play their role. In the teams that are most successful, when you look at them and distill them down, I think most of it comes down to attitude and approach. And the positivity that our team kept through the whole COVID crisis in the midst of uncertainty and a lot of unknown, the positivity that our team members kept to make sure we were doing everything we could do to care for our community and make our hospital system stronger, I think has just been extraordinary.
We really decided to have a more proactive rather than a reactive management style to the pandemic, and we really wanted to stay ahead of things. And I think one of the most notable examples of that was the field hospital that we built ahead of time, and it was really a creative idea to use our parking deck as a secure structure adjacent to our emergency room to really be able to expand our capabilities. And I was really proud of that, and we even received some national attention and media on that.
We tested patients for procedures. We tested patients who were symptomatic, non-symptomatic, who some were coming through the doors who needed to travel and just needed screenings done. So we tested everybody that you could think of. Our community was so thankful for that, really, which was really kind of warming when we would be out there and folks would drive through and they would be like, thank you for just doing this, I appreciate you. And so it felt good to be able to give back to the community in that aspect.
Viruses require a human or a living cell to live. They can't live on their own. So when they enter into our body, they immediately attack a host cell, and then it unloads all of its genetic material. The monoclonal antibodies were developed so that they would basically attach to that protein and disfigure it so that it couldn't attack the host cell anymore, and then it would be consumed. When the vaccine finally came out and there was hope, the collective sharing of hope among all the associates, the willingness to volunteer, and then putting logistics in place, which were not a small task, to a place where we subsequently were seen and able to vaccinate over 2,000 people in a day, was unbelievable.
The organization's commitment to our community is amazing. To put this much effort and resources towards really improving the health of our community just really speaks to our culture and our mission, and I'm proud to be a part of that.
We are humbled and grateful to the business community in our region for recognizing the tremendous efforts of our team at Mary Washington Healthcare in battling the COVID-19 pandemic over the past 2 years. Unfortunately, the battle continues, but our team at Mary Washington Healthcare is committed to meet the continuing challenges of this pandemic. We are here for you and honored to be so. On behalf of our entire team at Mary Washington Healthcare, thank you for this wonderful acknowledgement.